Hello dear friends, welcome again to the Excel tutorials. In today's video, I will teach you that how can you filter out the values from the selected column. For that purpose, we have a tool here that is sort and filter. So clicking the column which we need, for example, in the instant, I want to filter out values for column J. So clicking the column J, selecting column J. Now coming towards the sort and filter option, clicking here. Now clicking the tool that is filter. You can see here that the drop down has been appeared. Now I will click the drop down. Here are some options given also, like you can see sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest. You can also sort out by colors. For instance, I will see only the values that I required here. uh, I will deselect all the values. First of all, I will click the values which ranges from 20 to 25. So these are the values, like here, 20, 21, 22, 25. Now it will give me those students which have secured these numbers. So 25, 25, 20, 20, 25, etc. are achieved. Here you can see that the filter option has been applied. Again removing it. So how you can remove it again? Clicking the filter option again, and here clear filter from total. So all the values appeared again. In the same manner, you can select any value. For example, I just want to see the numbers, that is 0. So these are the two students who secured two students who secured 0 marks. In the similar manner, you can change and select the blanks. So clicking this one and only selecting blanks. So here is shown nothing. So this is the function of a filter. Now if you want to remove this button, that is drop down, now you will come to the tool again and click here the filter. So the filter option has been removed. Now I want to sort all these values in ascending and descending order. So selecting all the values, like this one, I have selected all the values. Now I want to sort it out. So for this purpose, you can see sort smallest to largest. Clicking this one and expand the selection. So clicking sort. Now you can see 0, 0, 5 and coming towards 50. So this is the smallest value and the last one is the largest. Now I want to sort it again, but from the largest to smallest. So click this one and click again in the same manner, sort. Now you can see the value is in descending order. Hope you got this video tutorial. Thank you.